Meeting Dean's made an amazing difference to myself personally and to our actual business. What we found was, in meeting a lot of consultants, was that they were interested in a fee, whereas Dean was interested in people, he was interested in their businesses, he was interested in their lives. And it was a philosophy we as accountants in Chesterfield also hold, so I was intrigued to find out what his success factors were and how we could apply them to our clients. The success workshop was virtually a no-brainer. Too many times we spend all our efforts working in the business, continuing to do what we've done for the last umpteen years. People say they've got 20 years experience. The argument is, no, they've done the same thing for 20 years. We needed to change, and we needed to see how we could change. And what I did know from Dean and working with him so many times was the fact that what we were going to learn on the success workshop was going to be grounded in reality, it was going to be factual, it would not be a technical exercise just quoting American textbooks. And more important than all that, knowing Dean, knowing his client base, I knew it worked with the existing clients, therefore I knew it would work for us, and more importantly, I knew it would work for my clients as well. Well, I think attending the workshop has virtually been life-changing, both on a business front and a personal front as well. As I said earlier, when you're spending so much time working in the business, you've got to look at ways of developing it. And having identified from Dean's workshop the success drivers that were in there, we applied them to our business. Now, having got the business areas identified, what that does, it gives you a profound effect on your personal life. Because too many times people have forgotten that the business is there to deliver you a life, not rob you of one. So I can honestly say it was life-changing. It's not just motivated me, it's actually talking down the line to everybody we meet, be it our clients, be it our staff, even friends. And the knock-on effect is absolutely amazing, because too many people underestimate what they actually do. They take it as something, well, I'll do that every day. It can't be important, it can't be special. But people have amazing and special qualities, and they need reminding of that, and they need support, and they need motivating. And Dean's in an ideally placed to do that, because he's done it with us. Meeting many consultants whose main interest is just on getting a fee, we were intrigued to find what questions could be asked to improve people's businesses. As accountants, we deal with many owner-managed businesses, small businesses, and the focus is not really on the figures, it's about on how they're going to drive themselves forward, how they're going to get their life back and make sure that the business doesn't take that over. Dean was asking these sort of questions. He has a success strategy that we were intrigued to find out how we could apply this to our clients. Knowing Dean and knowing the fact that he was very people orientated and wanted to work with people to make sure they achieve their goals, I knew it would be practically based, it would be grounded. It would not just be an exercise in theory or quoting from various textbooks. It would be based upon success. And that was the main driving force.
What action would you say you've taken as a result of attending that workshop?
Well, virtually life-changing. There comes a time when you realise you've just got to stop doing work all the time and realise that you've got to move the business forward, and just continually working in the business is not going to do that. So what we did, we actually sat down and said, right, what do we want our business to look like in 3 years' time? We took 3 years because I didn't want to go any further than that. And when you start doing that, it's quite a life-changing experience, because you have to look at every aspect of your business. You then have to see how that translates into your personal life. So it's had an absolutely amazing effect on us, and we're in the process now of going through a marketing strategy that's looking to actually double our turnover in the next 12 months.